before it's too late.
This is Shark Bay. It's World Heritage listed. And it's no wonder. It's home to a diverse and unique ecosystem. Along with its terrestrial life, the waters that make up the bay are teeming. Migrating whales pass by here every year on their way from calving in the warm waters of the far north to the icy feeding grounds of the Antarctic. Wandering whale sharks frequent the coastline outside the bay. Shark Bay plays host to a myriad of fish species, not to mention dolphins and of course sharks, the namesake of the bay. But sharks are a long way from the minds of these people. They have something much smaller on their minds.
So we've got to take one of those.
Jeff Short and his team are working with an animal that many people may consider vermin. But out here in the wilds of Shark Bay, it's not. It's just another example of Australia's rich biodiversity.
Well, most Australians don't realise that their fauna is made up of not only just the marsupials, species like kangaroos and koalas and so on, but also eutherian mammals or placental mammals like you and I. Now these animals are very large and they just fit in there.
Jeff Short is a principal research scientist for the CSIRO, the Australian Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organisation. He's working on re-establishing and maintaining several colonies of stick-nest rats, a rare and endangered rodent which lives on an island off this remote part of Australia, known as Useless Loop on Harrison Prong. The plan is to trap wild stick-nest rats on the island and reintroduce them into a safe area back on the mainland.
So the only really saving grace is that some of these species have persisted on offshore islands or in tiny remnant populations. And this has given us the opportunity to now try and reconstruct some of those populations.
The stick-nest rat campaign is part of the Useless Loop Biosphere project, a scheme aimed at reintroducing animals back into an area where they were formerly extinct. A colony on Salutation Island was established a number of years ago, and because of its isolation was safe from the threat of feral predators. Apart from the odd endemic bird of prey, the island has become a safe haven for these waddling rodents. Once released, these animals will become prisoners behind barbed wire and electric fences to protect them from the feral killers. The project has been going for more than 10 years and is proving to be very successful. Along with the Department of Conservation, the CSIRO in association with the Shark Bay salt mining community, they are paving the way in conservation.